Jeez, you still have candy in your teeth.
Hmm?
You have candy in your teeth. Yeah. Can you do the months of the year for me? I'll give you another piece of candy.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say the months of the year? June.
June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Yay! Can you do the days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Monday, Tuesday.
Can you say Sunday?
Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Saturday. Can you do the 4 seasons?
Summer,
Do the seasons. Winter.
winter, spring, summer, fall.
Very good, Wheezy.
Yay.
Yay! My kids will do anything for candy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah, candy.
open.
I will open. Okay. Say have a good day.